got the big camera out for this one because I'm going to be organizing our kitchen. I have like a bunch of little things that I want to do, but the first thing that I would like to do is reorganize the tops of the counter. I'd love to minimalize this and just take all the crap off and like remove that shelf, and I feel like everything's so cluttered, and this is what you guys see in the back of the vlogs, and so I'm constantly like having to move things, so I'm gonna deal with it. Let's do it. Also, if you haven't seen the last vlog where I make banana bread, go check it out.
At the store we bought more baking soda so we could try this little recipe again. We had some success last time, but I feel like it could get a little bit better. So it's just a mixture of baking soda and water, and mixing it up so it's a paste, and then you spread it on the door of your oven and you wait as long as you possibly can.
Guess we're ordering takeout tonight. Our Thai food just got here. We ordered from a local place that we pretty much order from often, like really often, and DoorDash is doing like free local delivery right now, so that's really great. What did you get?
I got the Penang curry and a side of rice.
Side of rice?
This is the small side of rice.
That's crazy. And a Thai iced tea, and then I think what is it called? Pat siu? I don't know. It's like garlic and noodles. It's so good. Happy Monday. Oh, just finishing up my makeup. I did want to quickly mention I've used it in like all of my IGTV tutorials recently, but this mascara slaps. It's so good, and I'm so the kind of person that just like sticks with one mascara once I know it works for me. My favorite is Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I love this one, and then I always use Roller Lash on top to like spread out my lashes. This is like dead and gone. I need to get a new one. It's a good one to like curl them because it's Roller Lash rolls them up. Anyway, this one from CoverGirl, really good. It's a little bit of a wetter formula, but I've really been liking it, and like look at my lashes, so nice. So if you guys are looking for a new mascara, I would suggest this one. It's really good. I've heard people like really like that one, but I was like hesitant to try it, and then I was like, why not try it? And so I really like it. Good going on that. And if you're wondering what I have on my eyelids, I wanted to play, I saw a video of a girl using these. These are from Charlotte Tilbury. They're like cream shadows. This one is in rose gold. They're the Eyes to Mesmerize. Mesmerize. They're like little cream pot shadows. They're so pretty. This one is obviously the rose gold one, and it's so pretty. So I put that on for something fun today. I need to do my lips still, but I'm drinking my coffee, so I'll wait to do that. And then yesterday I didn't vlog, so I'm gonna catch you up. What did I do, you ask? Well, whole lot of nothing. I did some editing. I got that other previous vlog up, so if you haven't seen that, you can go check that out. I finished up an IGTV video that I mentioned in my last video. That's now live because I wanted to post it on a Monday because working from home makes most sense to post it on Monday. And then I basically did my full shower routine. I touched up my tanner, I washed my hair. I actually let my hair air dry for the first time in I don't know how long. Like, I always use my Dyson blow dryer just because I want it dry faster, but I had my shower pretty early, so I was able to let it fully dry before I went to bed. I don't normally like doing this because it makes my head itchy for some reason, and I have no idea why. Let me know if you guys get that too. But I used a scalp scrub last night and it felt so good, the Way one. And then yeah, I just let my hair air dry, and I forgot how like kinky my natural hair is. Like, it looks beach waves. I added some product obviously, but I didn't do anything else to it, and I kind of like the way it turned out, so I'll probably just leave it for today, maybe curl it tomorrow. I did my nails. Not crazy about the contrast of the white and the nude, so we're just gonna let this chip off, and then I'll redo it probably all nude, but I'm too lazy to take it off and start again. That's pretty much it. And then yeah, we cleaned the kitchen that you guys saw. I want to do like a full little like kitchen reveal of all the things that I changed and why I did, because I didn't talk through that. And then I have that try on haul to show you guys, including what I'm wearing, which is so flipping cute. So I will show you guys all of that for today. I'm gonna put on some lip products first though. For lips, I'm using my Milani lip liner in 04 All Natural. I love these lip liners, they're so good. To make my lips look a little bit bigger, I always like fill in my Cupid's bow. I don't know if that's like proper technique, but it always works for me, and I always love the way my lips look, especially if I'm using a dark lip liner like this. I just kind of make it flat up top. I don't know, make it more rounded versus like have the swoop. Like so. And lately my lips have been so very chapped, so I just opt for lip gloss because it's kind of hydrating. Kind of. Slight change of angle. I thought I would sit down here, show you guys the items, and then I will do like try on portion and overlay the clips. So the first thing I got, by the way, all these things are from Lulus. I got, and I paid for them with my own money, just saying. The first thing I got was this matching set. They were sold separately. So it's like this cute little loungy top and then some little loungy pants. And I ordered the pants in a large and the top in a small, and I definitely could have gotten a medium in the bottoms. I am always so afraid with pants that my thighs aren't gonna fit, and I'd rather have something be too big than too small. And I did wash them already, so they're not gonna shrink unfortunately, but they're comfy and they're loungy and it's fine. It's just like a little bit baggy in the crotch area, so FYI if you're like around the same size as me, definitely size down. The small was a good go on the top though, and it was very comfy to sleep in because that's what I did. So that's the first thing. Next thing I got was this tank top, and I definitely thought this was going to be a little bit thicker when I was buying it, but I love the color of it. It's like a muted blue. I love it. It comes in so many colors, and I'm kind of regretting not buying more because I think I'm going to live in these in the summer. I love this style of tank top. It goes so well with like jeans and shorts and skirts, and it just goes with everything, and it's so comfortable. And I was wearing it pretty much all weekend. Like, it is rough and kind of gross because it has self-tanner on it now, because I wore it all weekend and I wore it without a bra, and it's so cute. So love this. That was a good purchase and something I had been eyeing on there for a while. Happy I finally got it. And it actually goes really well with these shorts that I also got. This was part of a matching set too, I think, but I didn't buy the top because I didn't need it or they didn't have it or something, I don't know. But they're these like beige shorts. Love the color of them so much. All of this stuff is so neutral and I'm like thriving. Love these. They're so cute. I love the waistband on these. I got them in a medium. Oh, by the way, I got the tank top in an extra small, and I like the size. I could probably wear the medium large, but the small is good, especially if you're not wearing a bra, and I don't really have that big of boobs. But for the shorts, I did order them in a medium because I knew that they would be okay on my thighs since they're so flowy and they fit perfectly. They do have pockets, which is a key thing I should mention if you're into that. And I love them so much. They're so comfortable. They're so high-waisted. I almost wonder if I could get away with a smaller knot. I probably could, but they're very comfortable and they're gonna be fun to dance in. And these are just like so cute for lounging around the house, especially going into spring and summer. This is pretty much like all I wear in the summer. So I'm really happy to have a pair of these. They're so cute, and I love the color so much. And the last top is actually something that had kept popping up on my ads because I had looked at it one time and I was like, that's cute, and then I just like closed the tab. But it kept haunting me, so I had to buy it. It is so cute. You guys are gonna see it way better on. But it says button down like lacy little blouse, and it has like puffy sleeves and it's polka dots, and it's just so cute. And all of the buttons on it, I need to reinforce some of them. They're not the best quality, like they're kind of hanging off, which isn't the greatest, so I'm gonna have to go in and reinforce those just so they don't fall off. You do get an extra button with it, but they're so cute. They're like gemmed little diamond-y things, and it's just so cute. I can't wait to wear this out in the world one day with like jeans and some shoes. And the last thing I picked up was a pair of shoes. Again, this is one of those like Facebook ad targeted things, and they came in black and nude, but I decided to go with nude, and they're so cute. They're like mesh polka dot, very similar to the top. Pointed toe, you guys know I love my pointed toe, and I decided to go with nude because I wore my white heels that I got in the UK like all last year, and I just wear them so often that I don't have a pair of nude pointed heels that I can wear with like everything and can wear often. I'm a little nervous about getting them dirty, but they're so flipping cute. They did come in black as well, so if you're into that more so, I love them. The only thing with these, I read the reviews, thank God, and I decided to size a whole size down. So I normally would order every shoe in a size 8, but I got these in a 7 and they fit perfectly. I also have 2 different size feet. Like one of my feet is like completely bigger than the other, like a full size. I had to buy 2 different size point shoes when I was buying point shoes. So if you are looking to order these, definitely recommend going a full size down. So cute, pretty comfortable. I mean, obviously I haven't worn them out yet, but I have worn them around a little bit and they're pretty comfortable. And then I just quickly forgot to tell you guys the size that I got in this shirt. I got a medium and it fits good. So could have probably gotten a small, but for comfortability, medium's pretty good. So that's my Lulus haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I just picked up a few things to brighten my day, and it really did. I'm very excited, and I'm glad I got some loungewear because now I can like spice it up, and I like the neutrals and stuff, and just I'm so excited to wear these one day. Okay, that's all. So I wanted to quickly show you guys what changes or how we tidied up and just kind of run you through our kitchen really quick. So this corner, we changed it up and it looks so much better and cleaner. I have this tray from HomeSense that I was using for our soaps and our dish soap and stuff. It looked really cute over by the sink, but I thought it would be better used over here for holding our keys. We have just like our mail slots and then wallets behind there, and like our lint rollers because we always need them, and sanitizer because Corona. And then we had this housing our soaps and stuff for a while, but it got really gross, so I just kept it in the pantry for actually using as a cutting board, but I thought it would look cute standing up. I like the little wood accent at the bottom. And then we have our plant here. I did clean off the top of the stove and just kept our salt and pepper shakers. I do want to get some proper salt and pepper grinders, but you know, I can't go anywhere right now, so this is what we're dealing with. And then over here we just kind of tidied it up. We have a lot of appliances and there's no really a way around it, so we have our Ninja blender in the corner, paper towel, obviously, utensils. Don't love this container either, but you know, it's fine, it's cute, and at least all of our like utensils are matched and neutral. And then we did put our Essenza Mini over here because we've been using it more often. Also too, I should share how I organized this. It looks way better now. It is still cluttered, but you know, we only have so much cupboard space. And then over here we obviously have our morning coffee, but we have our Virtuo and our, this is pretty well the same. I used my label maker a while back and labeled our little capsules. Coffee, I've been using the label maker like crazy, and so it looks super cute. So yeah, over here I would normally have all of these things on a tray and it looks so much better, but for the time being it's fine. I can always like tuck it under the sink if I don't want it. And then the only other thing I really organized that is worth showing you is our cupboard under here. So I just kind of tidied it up. Again, super full. These cupboards go back pretty far, which is nice, but I just really wanted to reorganize the Tupperware and it looks really good. So that is our clean kitchen. Now I think Cody and I are gonna go for a little drive because we haven't been out of the house in days. Like we've gone to the post office and the grocery store like once a week, but we haven't gone for like any drives in over a week, and so we're just gonna go get out of the house, you know, roll down the windows, get some fresh air. I think it'll be good for us. Hopefully go to like some like ocean area, maybe go for a little bit of a walk. I think that'd probably be smart, so we're gonna do that. So this is what I decided to throw on my body. Put on some pearl earrings because why not? My thrifted little Harley Davidson t-shirt with my Zara jeans because I wanted to wear jeans. Sometimes you just need the tightness of jeans to make you feel better, and that's just what I needed today. Maybe while we're out I'll get like an Instagram picture on my phone or something just to get, you know, get some outdoor content, because why not? It's not raining right now, but it might start, so yeah. say Wednesday, but I don't think that's right. Nope, it's Tuesday. But what does it matter? Who really cares? Not me. Anyway, I wanted to come on and end the vlog. I've been keeping my videos super long lately. I apologize. I was hoping to have this video a little bit shorter, but it just ended up being a little bit longer. So hopefully you guys are enjoying them. I've really been enjoying filming vlogs because it gives me something to do, and I really need the distraction right now. I'm sure you guys are feeling the same, and it's really fun for me to like film what I'm doing and then post it for you guys and hear your see your comments and stuff. It really boosts my mood and puts me in a good spirit and a good headspace. So even if like I'm not typically like a normal vlog channel, I hope you guys have been enjoying them because it really makes me happy posting these videos, and I just wanted to say that. So if you've been watching them, you've been watching them all the way through, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and it truly does boost my mood and make me feel so good that you guys, for those of you that have been commenting and enjoying them, it means so much to me. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in a couple days for another video, because that's what we're doing now. That is what we're doing. So take care, stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you guys in a couple days.